My name is Janisha Kaur.
And she's the lovely daughter of Jaideep Singh. And I'm Rashi Bakshi. It's an honor to be here for this event tonight.
World Punjabi Conference ਦੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਡੈਲੀਗੇਟਸ, ਰਾਈਟਰਸ, ਸਕਾਲਰਸ ਦਾ ਆਟਵਾ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿੱਘਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੋਕਲ ਸਪਾਂਸਰਸ ਤੇ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਡੂੰਘਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। We heartily welcome all the international delegates, scholars and writers to Ottawa. We would also like to welcome our local sponsors, supporters and well-wishers on the occasion of the World Punjabi Conference 2011.
I'd just like to thank all of you for participating in this event over the duration of the last few days. Hope that it's been very informative for all of you. I just want to give you a brief synopsis of what the Punjabi Heritage Foundation stands for. Basically, it's a secular, non-profitable, charitable organization. Its aims and objectives are: 1, to preserve and promote Punjabi language, literature. Sorry, I'll just let them get settled. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask for your undivided attention? Please, I know it's been a long day, but we hope that you'll enjoy the rest of the evening. You'll have lots of time to mingle afterwards. So we really humbly request that if you could give us some attention here, please. So as I was saying, the mandate of the Punjabi Heritage Foundation is: 1, to preserve and promote the Punjabi language, along with literature, heritage and culture. They also arrange for scholarships in the education field for the promotion of Punjabi. 3, they hold Kavi Darbars, as you were witness to today, conferences and exhibitions. They promote and encourage Punjabi performing art and theatre. And last but not least, they undertake translations of Punjabi literature into English and French.
The biannual World Punjabi Conference is an event that brings together the Punjabi diaspora together for mutual literary and cultural exchange. And it also brings together for education and inspiration. The Canadian Punjabi community has grown over the years, and there was a need for such exchange of information. The second biannual international gathering of Punjabi attendances, more than 100 intellectuals from all across the globe have arrived. The invited international scholars have presented their papers focusing on the future and language. The invited scholars that are present here today have presented their papers focusing on the future and language that have suggested solutions for the preservation and promotion of the Punjabi language in India and abroad. As always, the conference is striving to bring the Punjabi consciousness together. The World Punjabi Conference is an effort to showcase and to promote the Punjabi literature, culture and values. We would now like to welcome our chief organizer of the World Punjabi Conference in Ottawa, Mr. Jaideep Singh, on the stage to give us a brief scenario of the event. Mr. Jaideep Singh, can we please have you on the stage?